Welcome back to the Kingsport Animal Shelter for another installment of Furry Friends. Today we're going to meet Deuce, Jack, Janet and Chrissy, Shelly Ray, and Dusty. This is Jack. Jack is a 7-year-old male, neutered dachshund mix. Kind of a non-traditional looking dachshund, but he's very friendly. Came in with 2 little terriers and just has a very sweet disposition.
Come here, go in there. Say hi, everybody. Come adopt me.
These are Janet and Chrissy. They are 6 years old. They're terrier mixes, and they came in with Jack. They've been here for about 2 weeks now. They were strays, and they're very loving, very friendly towards each other, and pretty calm. This is Shelly Ray. Shelly Ray is an adult shepherd mix, and unfortunately she came in as a stray about 2 months ago. She's very friendly. She was very scared at first, but she's getting along good with all her kennel mates. Sit. She's very sweet. A very sweet face. This is Deuce. Deuce is a 4-year-old lab mix. He's not yet neutered. In fact, he's got what they call diphalia. He's got an accessory penis and an extra testicle. But he's very friendly. He's good with other animals. And he was a stray, so that's about all we know.
Hey, what do you think?
This is Dusty. Dusty is about 6 years old, and he's a neutered domestic short hair. He is front declawed, and he's litter box trained.
I'm just a nice house cat. Are you just a nice house cat?
Thanks for watching Furry Friends this week. Don't forget that each Thursday at 11 a.m. a new series will post. If you'd like to inquire about any of the animals that you've seen here today, stop down to the animal shelter in person at 2141 Idlehour Road or call 247-1671. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.